boys and girls? Welcome to Ovation Guitar. Elliot, James, Reay. We know him by now. The younger Elvis slash I don't know what. Actually, a great artist. Anyway, let that be. Now we have a song called Sweetness. He sings like that. Sweetness, you are the sweetest. And actually, I can translate that into subscribers, my fellow family people. You are the sweetest. Now, let's go into the song. Now, we have no need for any capo, as you can see here. We have basically, let's see, 6 chords. But since he changes the key later on into the second chorus, we need to add another 3 chords. So yeah, why not go to 9 chords instead? Let's start this chord run through. We're gonna start with C, and that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. D minor next, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have G, that is 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have F next. It's a bar chord, so you place the index finger, and you're gonna do that on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there, and then you have to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And then we have the D. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And because of the higher key from the second chorus, you have to add 3 more chords. Why do you do that, Elliot? Maybe you just want to twist it up a little bit. Let's move on with the B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger for the 2nd fret, and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom up like this, then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have the E minor as well, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the A, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, open E, and that's it, guys. So 9 beautiful chords. Now let's go into the strumming, and this is about 6 downs. I'm gonna give you a second version also where you include the clap instead, but 6 downs. If you grab the first chord C, one round goes like this. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're gonna play on the bass strings for all these downs pretty much, bass mid area. But for the 4th down, you try to go down and hit the higher strings down here. That will give you a certain rhythm going on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, or you can include the clap, and that clap will replace that 4th down. So that will be 1, 2, 3, clap, 5, 6. I will show you this tutorial with the 6 downs, okay? So let's start with the first verse. And that goes C1, A minor 1, D minor 1, and G1. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and that will take you to the first pre-chorus, so about 41 seconds in, I think, in this song. You can't be good, that is where you are in the lyric. You're gonna play now, it's 2 halves to this one, so to speak. The first half goes F1, G1, C1, and A minor 1. And the second half is very similar. It goes F1, G1, but then it goes D1 and G1. So, first F1, G1, C1, and A minor 1. Second half, F1, G1, D1, and G1. All right. And And that will take you to the first chorus. Guess what the lyric is? Sweetness, you are the sweetest. And what you're gonna play here is no news. You're gonna play the verse play. So the chorus and the verse is played in the same way. That's C1, A minor 1, D minor 1, and G1 for 2 rounds. We know that by now. And after that comes the post chorus, and that is about 1 minute and 2 seconds in or so. And you're just going to continue the chorus play with 1 chord progression round. And I forgot to mention, exactly in the start, how the song starts is with a chorus, okay? And you're going to play that C, A minor, D minor, and G for 2 rounds. Anyway, we have passed that now. We're going to go into the second round of everything. The second verse, it's played the exact same way as the first one. You just continue that C, A minor, D minor, G for 2 rounds. Then, we don't have any second pre-chorus. We just skip that and jump right into the second chorus. And guess what? This is where everything changes here. We go up in the key. You're going to play now in D. So now the 4 chords will be D1, B minor 1, E minor 1, and A1. You're going to play for 2 rounds. So D, B minor, E minor, and A. 2 rounds of that. So and from this point, you're just gonna continue to blast this chord progression of D, B minor, E minor, and A, because we have, after the second chorus, a post-chorus part when you play 2 rounds of this chord progression. Then follows a third chorus when you play another 2 rounds of this D, B minor, E minor, and A. And then finally comes the third post-chorus part, still keeping that D, B minor, E minor, A for another 2 rounds. And we have finally the outro part where it's just the lyric. He sings that title of Sweetness, you are the sweetest. And I guess that's it. So, Elliot James Reay, he did some magic with 9 chords. Why did you have to have the last 3 chords, Elliot? That's a question everybody asks. But anyway, a great song. So if you enjoy it, then take this tutorial to your hearts, practice, play, and leave a comment, of course, to Ovation Guitar. Why not? Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.